We'll guide you through how to fix Ethernet not working in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem because you're trying to go and access the internet. You're trying to download games, watch content, etc., and you're unable to. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. To get started, press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in view network connections. I've been suggested it. So you can be in the situation of perhaps it goes and says it's not connected, or it does say it's connected, but it just isn't working. Don't worry, we're keeping this guide broad. So find your Ethernet and you can go and right click on it and you want to go and press disable. Wait a moment and then just right click and press enable again. Since I'm simply doing this, we'll go and make it go and work. So now you can try testing it. If it still doesn't work, right click on it and you can go down and press properties. You need to go and find Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it and you want to press use the following DNS server addresses. So in preferred, type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternative 8.8.4.4. And you can go and press OK, and now what you can do is try using it. Hopefully it's now working. Now if you still find that it isn't, what you can do is you can come out of this and you can go and press search at the bottom and go and type in device manager. In here, you want to go and find network adapters and press the arrow to the left to expand it. Find your Bluetooth adapter. So that's going to be something like mine is here, the Realtek Gaming Family Controller. It's usually called something like that. You want to go and right click on it and you want to go and press uninstall device and press uninstall. And then you can press the Windows button at the bottom, press the power button to the right and restart it. And when it comes back on, it should be working.